live in Sonoma County. It's too smoky where we live. We're about 3 miles from this really bad fire, and people are dying. There's over 3,500 structures being that have burned. We're heading north because we can't take the smoke anymore. So we're going to go up through the Mendocino National Forest, maybe all the way up to southern Oregon. We haven't decided yet. We got fishing gear, crab gear, camping gear. We got Rye here. We got Cooper. We got Easton. We're out of here, and we're gonna probably do 2 or 3 or 4 days. So we'll try to do some catch and cooks and something. We're just gonna get out of this smoke. Okay. Big fire right here. Helicopters. We are north of Santa Rosa, about 20 minutes past, right past. This is Geyserville. This is the Geyserville fire. Helicopters are fighting it. Here's our campsite for the night. Hey, Coop, what do you got there?
I have a shrimp.
Let me see.
I don't know what it's called.
Let's put that on our line. Let's fish with that thing. Hold on. That looks like good bait. Hang on. We stopped to fish at a different beach now. We're the only ones here. It's really cool. Pelicans and seagulls are dive bombing the water, so there might be fish here. Why not? Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Oh God, I hope I'm recording. Am I recording? Yeah, yeah. Oh no, no, no. There you go. Come on, baby. Guaranteed fish right there. Let's go, baby. Fish on! Fish on! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
Let's go! It's huge!
Hold on. Straight. Well,
the biggest fish
Cooper
I've
might have teeth. Sometimes they do.
It does.
Yep.
Hey, get away from the water!
Okay, he's fine.
Daddy!
Hold this. Let's get video. Caught a huge red tail. Oh, it's got teeth.
Dad, get up.
I don't think they're very big.
This one's huge.
Hold on.
Dad, are we keeping this one?
Yeah.
Good. Dad, I can hold it by
Is there a bag in here?
Dude, is this the biggest red tail you've ever caught?
Yeah.
Then we can fillet it.
Oh, take that out of there. Those weights.
Get that out of here, wait.
Right. Whoa.
This one's huge, Dad.
We landed a nice red tail.
Dad, you say it. Say it.
Yeah! Oh my God, this one's way bigger.
Yeah!
Oh, it's a lunker.
Hey, get away!